Hey guys, Dino at Speed Circuit here, and today I wanted to point out a couple things that I recently did to the ND Miata. The first of which is the Flyin Miata front sway bar, along with the reinforcement kit in order to minimize some of the body roll we have from the factory. Next is the amazing Falken Azenis RT660 tires, which are easily the best 200 tread wear tire I've ever driven on. Simply just mind-blowing how much grip these have. And last but not least, I had the car aligned to Flyin Miata's specifications in order to get the balance right. Before, I was really understeering into some hard turns, and I was hoping to get rid of that. So this past Sunday, I brought it out to our regional SCCA autocross to see what it could do. Here we go.
Well, senor, good luck.
Yes, sir. And we're off. This is a pretty fun course here because it has you kind of loop around and come back and cross back onto itself. You'll see what I mean in a minute. This is a really tight turn here. Super tight. On some runs I was getting to the top of second gear right here. And here I am crossing back over. Getting in third gear here, which is crazy. But it's just a Miata, so the gears are short. I have to downshift to second. Stay in the power band at right. Keeping it relatively tight, trying to stay within the limits of the tire. And this is the first time I really drove the car since these modifications. Nice free-flowing course. Overall, I'm really happy with the results of the mods, so stay tuned for future updates. Please smash that like button and punch that subscribe button right in the face.